Hybrid, a classic American SUV, now with a modern twist. The Explorer Hybrid blends power and efficiency, offering a V6 engine paired with an electric motor for strong acceleration and solid fuel savings. Its rear-wheel drive platform gives it a confident, athletic feel on the road. Need to tow a boat or camper? The Explorer Hybrid can handle it, making it perfect for adventurous families. Inside, you get a tech-forward cabin with Ford's intuitive sync infotainment and plenty of storage and charging options. The digital instrument cluster adds a high-tech vibe, while the interior remains practical and comfortable. The third row is best for kids or short trips, and cargo space behind it is a bit tight. You trade a little practicality for a more engaging drive. The Explorer Hybrid is for families who want muscle and capability, but don't want to pay at the pump. It's a compelling choice for those who need versatility and power in their family hauler. If you want a family SUV that's as ready for adventure as you are, the Explorer Hybrid delivers. It's proof you can have American muscle and modern efficiency in one package. For the right family, it's a perfect fit. The Explorer Hybrid stands out by refusing to compromise. Enter the Kia EV9, a bold leap into the all-electric family SUV future. This three-row EV is spacious, futuristic, and eco-friendly. With a boxy design that maximizes interior room, the flat floor and airy cabin make it feel huge inside with real comfort in all three rows. The EV9's electric powertrain delivers instant torque and a serene, silent ride. With over 300 miles of range available, it's ready for daily drives and most road trips. Inside, sustainable materials and a panoramic digital display create a high-tech, calming space. Swivel second-row seats turn the cabin into a social lounge when parked. A true innovation. Charging infrastructure is improving, but long trips still require some planning. The EV9's price is premium, but running costs are low and emissions are zero. For families ready to embrace the future, the EV9 is a game-changer. It proves you don't have to sacrifice space or style to go electric. The EV9 is for forward-thinking families who want it all. It's not just a great EV, it's one of the best family cars, period. The future of family SUVs is here, and it's electric. When it comes to safety, Volvo is legendary, and the